I'm Alex, and you're watching Out in the Lights. This is the Sympl Studios 20-liter commuter pack. It's a 3.1 pound bag made with 840D Cordura ballistic nylon. So this bag definitely has a very New York City feel to it. It is sleek and chic, and of course it is all black, but this is gonna be perfect for the office or a short weekend trip. The bag does a good job of blending in, and it kind of reminds me of a cross between an Air and an alpaca. So this bag is made with the 840D Cordura ballistic nylon, which is one of my absolute favorite fabrics. So you know it's really, really durable and high quality here. You're also gonna get those YKK zippers and your Duraflex hardware. So yeah, you can't go wrong with this one. It is a very nicely made bag. So this is what the fit of the bag is going to look like. And for reference, I am 5'9" and 175 pounds. This bag is going to be very, very comfortable to wear. It has these really, really beefy shoulder straps back here, similar to what you'll find on like an Air bag. I will say the back panel here is a little bit harder than some of the other bags that you'll find in this like same kind of category, but I didn't really notice it that much while wearing it. I just got back from a trip with my family to St. Louis, wore this the whole time, and I didn't have any comfort problems when it came to the back panel. I will say, when you're wearing this bag, it is more comfortable to wear it a little bit lower on your back instead of that like high and tight that you find with a lot of other bags. I don't know if it's just because of the stiffness of the back panel, but yeah, wearing it a little looser, a little lower is going to be a lot more comfortable. So lastly, let's just talk a little bit about the user experience of this bag. The zippers are really, really smooth and easy to use. It's really easy to pack out that main clamshell compartment. A very, very easy pack out, as you'll see in our next segment. Also, this top little admin panel is great. It is just like a little accordion opening, and it's so easy to keep everything organized when you pack out that little admin panel. So what do you think of the 20-liter commuter pack from Sympl Studios? For me, this is going to be a perfect bag for personal item only travel. At 20 liters, it's going to fit everything you need for a long weekend trip. And it's also going to fit perfectly underneath that seat in front of you, so you don't have to worry at all about checking a bag. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you use this 20-liter commuter pack from Sympl Studios? As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.